Today I built Lego. Ooh, you can make a puzzle. Daddy, you can make a puzzle. Okay, use 6 dots. Use 4 dots. We got 2 tools. Let's sort this. Why cannot open?
Can. Try again.
Allah.
Memang macam tu lah.
Allah, not open lah.
Memang tak boleh open tu.
It looks like a puzzle, Daddy.
Obviously, it's a Lego.
This puzzle is right. So many blue. How, Daddy? This. How to open this like this?
This is memang macam ni lah. See? See? It is like this.
Oh, yes. Parent, 2 tricks. Parent 1. And then this. Got 2. Got 2 twos. Why can't I press? Why can't I press, Daddy?
Cannot press.
Yeah.
If you need my help, you let me know, okay?
Okay. Daddy, you need help? And then step number 3. One time. Another time. And then this.
Correct.
I got like that. And then this, we put it here. Like this. Well, 1. Got 1. 2. Got 2. And then, Daddy, it's happy birthday.
Huh? Happy birthday? Whose birthday today? One of your friends.
Yes. What are the 4 dots? 4 dots. 1 dot. 1. And then this. The 8 dots are in a 2. What is this? Like this?
Yes.
Yay! Oh no! No!
It's okay. It's okay.
Daddy, help me!
Why?
And then this one is here. And then 7. So you got 3 1.
Step 7 already?
Yes, you fit together, make like
a puzzle.
and 1 bolt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And look, this got 3 sets. Step 8. 1. Got 1 time. Step 2 1. And 2 X. This and this here, and then here. Now siap dah.
Dah siap dah.
Like this. Here it is. 1. This is 1 tank. 1 dot. And 1.
Quarter of pizza.
Not really. And then this. Like this, Daddy? Like this?
Yes.
Here. And this. 10. 1. 1 1. And then this should be Put it here. Here. 7-Eleven. And 1 blocks. And one stick. Hey, I forgot this. The 2. The wheel is here. And this is here.
Yay! Hold to hands.
Daddy, the camera say yes?
Yes.
Why say?
Use 2 hands. Ah.
Can say?
Okay, tell. What is that?
A wheel.
A wheel. Okay, put down the wheel. And then show this. Show this. And tell the camera. What is that?
A crab.
The crab. And then what else you make?
A turtle.
Turtle. This one?
A stingray.
Stingray. This one?
Octopus.
Show the camera. Show the camera.
Octopus.
Octopus. This one?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Okay.
Squid.
Show to the camera.
Squid.
Yes. This one?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Put here.
Anglefish.
Anglerfish. Oh, I like this one.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. How about this one?
Lobster.
Lobster. And this? Show to the camera.
Seahorse.
Seahorse. Yes, the black one.
Manta ray.
Manta ray. And the last one.
Swordfish.
Swordfish. Oh, where's the sword? Oh no, it fell down. How many do you have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.